This is a docu-series about hope, dreams, freedom, and peace. We will be interviewing people who fled their country to pursue freedom physically and artistically. Join us to learn about how their art reflects the past they are leaving behind and the hopes they have for the future.
Hi there, my name is Sasha, I'm from Russia and I'm a musician. Yeah, I'm in Canada because in February 2022 starting the war and I left my country because I don't like war.
My name is Taha. I'm from Bangladesh. So the main reason that I moved to Canada is because uh, the place that I'm from, it's a little conservative, and I wanted to be nobody and somebody at the same time. But in Bangladesh, there's always eyes on you.
I have electronic duo what called Tonka Sherst in Russian, and in English it sounds like fine wool. Yeah, me and my friend Nastya, she lives in Barcelona.
So most of the stuff that you see here, it's just stuff that I did at work, uh, because you can't really break down at work.
We released a new track, it called Не смотри in Russian. In English it's Don't See. It's like Don't See. It's about hope.
That's the way that I express myself. I can't really cry. I can't really go talk to someone. So I draw. I pour my emotions on paper, and that's the result.
Doesn't matter what's happened, you need to go ahead and dance and be happy.